the angle between the line and the plane such that sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. Then lambda is. So, we know that sin theta is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus root lambda by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 into square root of 4 plus 1 plus lambda. Given sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 2 minus cancel 2 root lambda by 3 into root of lambda plus 5. Now cancel on both sides. Lambda plus 5 is equal to 4 lambda. Therefore lambda is equal to 5 by 3. Question number 15. Let L be the line of intersection of the planes 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 1 and x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2. If L makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis, then cos alpha is equal to, here the direction of the line L is determinant of I, J, K 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2. So that implies I into 6 minus 3 is 3 minus J into 4 minus 1 is 3 plus K into 6 minus 3 is 3. So that implies 3I minus 3J plus 3K. This is the direction of the given line. If this line makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, then cos alpha is equal to x coordinate 3 by root of 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 3 by 3 root 3, that is 1 by root 3 is cos alpha. 1 minus 5 9 from the plane x minus 5y plus 5 is equal plus z is equal to 5 measured along the line x is equal to y is equal to z is. That means if the point lies on this line, the distance from this point to the plane is, what is the distance between the point to the plane is. Here the equation is equation of a line along x is equal to y is equal to z passing through passing through 1 comma minus 5 comma 9. So that implies x plus x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y plus 5 by 1 is equal to z minus 9 by 1 is equal to lambda. This is the equation of the line along x is equal to y is equal to z and passing through the given point. So we want to find the point on this line is x comma y comma z is equal to lambda plus 1 comma lambda minus 5 comma lambda plus 9. This is the point on the line. The distance from this point to the on this plane, if the point substitute on this plane, lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 5 plus lambda plus 9 minus 5 is equal to 0. So here lambda plus minus 10. Now the point is minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9 minus 15 minus 1. This is the required point on the plane. The distance between the points is square root of 1 minus of minus plus 10 square plus minus 5 minus 15 10 square 9 plus 10 square. So this is equal to 10 root 3. That is the distance. If the angle between the lines x by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by lambda. On the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4 is cos inverse root of 9 by 14. Then lambda is, here we know the formula cos theta is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus lambda into 3 by root of 1 plus 4 plus lambda square into root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Given cos theta is 3 by root 14, that is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3 lambda by square root of lambda square plus 5 into root 14. Root 14 is cancelled. Now lambda is equal to 19. If the line x minus 3 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to z plus 4 by 3 lies in the plane Lx plus my minus z is equal to 9. Then L square plus m square is equal to, that means the line lies on the plane, that implies L into 3 plus m into minus 2 plus minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies 3l minus 2m plus 4 is equal to minus 4. This is the equation number 1. And L into 2 plus m into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 3 is equal to 0. That implies 2l minus m is equal to 3. This is 2. Solve 1 and 2. We get L is equal to 1 and m is equal to minus 1. Therefore, L square plus m square is equal to 2.